Welcome to the Primalease 15-minute guide to setting up your community. To get started, go to Primalease.com and select the Sign Up Your Community button. On the next screen, enter the name of your community, your role with the community, and the postal code where your community resides. This is important for residents to be able to find your community when registering on Primalease.com. Next, enter your personal information, including name, email address, and other important information. After clicking Finish, you'll be sent an email with your temporary login information. Once you log in and change your password, you will be shown a temporary link to the dashboard, which gives you a step-by-step guide on how to set up your community in Primalease. Step 1. It is recommended you read the Manager and Homeowner Help sections, which include helpful question and answer sections, which will assist you in understanding Primalease and managing your community. You will discover many features in these sections you didn't know about. Step 2. Set up a community information page. Click the Setup button to add a new tab to the resident homepage. Use this page to list helpful contact information for the community and other useful information. To add an additional tab, select the Add New Tab button at the top of the page. When you are done, click on your dashboard to see the next steps. Step 3. Record prior meeting minutes. To enter last week's minutes in Primalease, for example, click the Record New Minutes button, then copy and paste the minutes from Microsoft Word or another word processing program after selecting the meeting date and location. When complete, click Save. Step 4. Set up a community forum. Because the membership of homeowners and residents is automatically managed by Primalease, the community forum in Primalease is much easier to maintain than other external products you may have used in the past. The Board Announcements Forum is a special forum which receives a copy of all community correspondence sent via email, and only the board or property manager can write to this forum. To create a new forum, select the New Forum button. It is recommended you set up a general discussion forum for your residents to be able to collaborate. Once a new forum is set up, you or any of the residents can go in and create new topics. Step 5. Review the billing page. While your community initially is not set up for any special features, you can sign up for optional features to help you get more value out of Primalease on this page. Step 6. Upload your terms and conditions. You can add terms and conditions, such as an abridged version of your rules and regulations that your residents will have to agree to before logging into their Primalease account for the first time. If you ever update the terms and conditions, you will have the option to force all owners to re-accept the updated terms. Currently, you can only update files in an HTML format. Step 7. Review the Administration Settings page. This section is where you set up the homes and owners in your community. In this video, I will show you only a few of the tabs in this section. However, you should review all the tabs before turning on the site for your homeowners. Be sure to review the Addresses tab, which should include the billing email address for your community. This is where the Primalease bill is sent to you if you sign up for additional services. The Settings tab is important to review. It lists the lease settings, which control the automated lease list. If your community does not allow leasing of the units, then set the percentage of units allowed to 0 at the top. This will effectively disable this feature. To turn on the lease list and send owners with an email address an invitation to log into their new Primalease account, select the 7 a.m. processing of lease list checkbox. As this should suggest, every morning at 7 a.m., if this is enabled, the system will process the lease list and send out other automated notices for your community. To set up the properties or units within your community, visit the Units tab. This page includes a full set of instructions on how to download the template spreadsheets, then add all the applicable properties to your community. Each field in the spreadsheet is described in detail at the bottom of the screen, along with tips for saving your data using Microsoft Excel. To save time in this demonstration, I have already filled out this spreadsheet with 2 homes. Keep in mind that not all columns are used for every community. For example, your community may not have numbered parking spots or elevators, so those fields would be left blank. Be sure to save the spreadsheet in CSV format. For best results, close your spreadsheet program before uploading the spreadsheet file. Select the Choose File button, select the file, then click Upload Unit Spreadsheet. To review all the units you have uploaded and possibly make changes, select the next tab called Unit Review. The Current Owners tab is where you upload each of the owners in your community. If you registered your community as a board member, your account should already exist. However, this screen is used to add all other homeowners. Again, just like before, download the template spreadsheet, then add all the current homeowners in your community, then save the spreadsheet in CSV format, then upload the spreadsheet to Primalease. The detailed instructions are included on this tab. If your community currently has a list of homes that are authorized to lease, please use the Active List tab and Waiting List tab to upload those applicable lists. Homeowners with active lease will have to upload their current lease into Primalease once you turn on the website. One more tab I'll go over is the Resources tab. This is where you can add custom links and documents, such as the covenants and declaration, to the Resources tab for all owners to review at their leisure. You may also update the vendor and manager documentation sections. To add a URL, such as google.com, just type in the description what you want to appear on the menu. Type in the URL, then select Add URL. You can add other types of links by selecting the appropriate tabs. Now, just to review everything, go back to the dashboard. As a final step, after turning on 7 a.m. processing in the settings, it is recommended you send all homeowners a letter explaining your community's use of Primalease and encourage them to register if they do not receive an invitation email from Primalease. Additionally, if you will use the automated lease list functionality, it is important that all homeowners leasing their unit log in and keep their tenant information updated as appropriate. If homeowners fail to do this, they will lose their spot on the leasing list, and those on the waiting list will be given their slot. We hope you've enjoyed this video and all the features which Primalease has to offer. To see more videos about Primalease, search for Primalease on YouTube, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to see all the latest tips and videos as they are published. Thanks for watching.